Hello and welcome to another update video about GALA. GALA currently still shows downside potential in my opinion, but we're just holding above the support level. So this is the 2.56 cent level here, the 78.6 retracement, and at the same time the level that we've been highlighting for the last few weeks really as a relevant, very relevant support level. At the moment, I have no clear impulse here to the upside, but we now obviously have entered the area where honestly it can turn around at any time. All these targets are and were in the area between the 78.6 fib level and the 88.7 fib level. However, at the moment, I have no indication that GALA has bottomed. A first really good signal that GALA has bottomed here in this overall correction, which started already, or when did it start? A while ago, in January actually. First indication that GALA has bottomed would be a break above the wave 4 high. That is the end of the Elliott wave triangle here at 3.11 cents. And then if it is able to rally above that significant swing high at 3.55 cents, that's even a better signal. But until then, yeah, price is just going down further. The trend is still down, but we've obviously entered now this area where we really need to be on the lookout for possible bottoming structures here for various coins, including GALA, of course. I showed you yesterday a possible micro count. Don't make the mistake and think this definitely has to play out like it. It so far is, but this is really the micro counting. And because the lower degrees and lower time frames changed so quickly, also the wave counts are very, very fragile. Nevertheless, this is sort of a roadmap how it could play out if everything went according to ideal wave structures. But I always say it is dangerous to go that much into detail because a lot of people think it will definitely work out like that, but it is not as easy as that, okay? Markets are not as easy. I gave you yesterday a resistance area here. Brief spike above it, but overall that resistance area did hold, so we can still focus on this wave count. And if it breaks below the 2.56 cent level, then we are probably in this fifth wave of the yellow third wave. We should then get a fourth wave and a fifth wave. Let's see. But then again, a very first early signal that this move down is over will be a break above the E wave high. Well, actually, a very early signal would already be a break above the wave 2 high here. But that's, the earlier the signal, the less clear it is and the more fragile it is. But that would be a break above 2.95. So if we take out that wave 2 high, the imminent downside move in this particular microstructure is invalidated, but that doesn't mean it would necessarily be bullish. What we need to see ultimately also here for GALA is a 5-wave move up and a 3-wave move down. Obviously, the lower we go, the better the reward to risk ratio with a potential third wave rally to the upside. But as I said in the last few weeks and days, the mindset has to be we go down lower until we see a signal. Now, at some point, we see a signal and it could suddenly rally 10% in a day. You know how crypto works. So we just need to be mentally prepared for that. Good indication also that the move down is over is when bearish news come in, but the market doesn't really sell off anymore. Now, volume is still very much down. I mean, let me go to the daily chart, but also here on the daily, the volume is pretty much still down. Yeah, if I zoom in a little bit, we see it in a little bit more detail. Literally no volume. That indicates typically that the correction is getting towards its end. But again, it hasn't given us any trend reversal signal. Yeah, so hopefully you liked the update about GALA. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.